Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Uh, as a part of film studies journey where I explore Rockstar, directed by Imtiaz Ali through its non-linear narrative, symbolic visuals and hunting soundscape and the cinematic techniques that shape its emotional depth. So as it is saying that some stories aren't narrated, they unfold like music scattered in fragments of time and memory. Rockstar lingers in a soul not for its chronology but for its cinematic tapestry. Like non-liner rhythms of flashbacks, elliptical silence, hunting compositions, and its frame and visual metaphor force that bleeds emotion. So it's a symphony of pain where every cut, every note, and every shadow becomes a brushstroke in a portrait of a soul unraveling. Yes, so if we talk about cinematic analysis of Imtiaz Ali's Rockstar, so before we jump into the whole analysis, let's talk of what film study actually is. So, film studies is not just about watching movies, but it's an academic lens that examines cinema as an art form. So, it analyzes narrative structure, camera work, sound, editing, and the emotional architecture that builds cinematic meaning. So, Rockstar is a non-linear cinematic movie. So yes, because it start with the concert scene. So it framed by a concert that traces Jordan's journey from Janardhan to broken artist through fragmented memories and flashback. So it also add the ellipse, disrupt the timelines, urges viewers to piece together this emotional and psychological evolution. So we find the flashback in the whole movie, from Jordan is reflecting or had a memory of or a flashback of his old time which he had passed with Heer and as a artist. So if you see that here one scene from the concert. So Rockstar start with the concert and using bookend structure to frame Jordan's emotional journey through flashbacks and fragmented memories, and it also end with the concert scene. So if we look at some editing things or cinematography and all things. So if we first talk about various shot which used by camera. The very first would be close up shot, it is used for and it zooms in or tiny details like eyes, hands, which actually intensify the emotion or tensions of a particular character. In this picture we can see the Jordan's singing kagare kagare moh itni araj to se chun chun khaiyo mas, and he has an intensity of emotions right now, and broken by heart, and he's in complete confusion. So close shot is used here to intensify his emotion or tensions. Second would be the medium shot with a central framing. If we see middle here, we find Jordan. Then a rake focus with shallow focus. So the focus shift from subject in foreground and background. Here, this Jamil Utsad talk about Janardhan that ये कोई ऐसा वैसी हस्ती नहीं है, बहुत बड़ी हस्ती है. So in background, in blood background, we can see the picture of Jordan also. So if we talk about over the shoulder shot, right? So it is basically this shot use as a when character is looking at each other, generally in a dialogue or intimate scene moments also. So very first picture is of this Katana Bhai talking with this journalist, and second is this Jordan is talking with Katana Bhai, and here this Utsad it talking with this Jordan. So again, if we talk about low angle tracking tilt up shot, like from camera moves from below to above, following the characters makes them look so stronger and rebellious and iconic. So after the moment of time when this Jordan sings Sadda Haq, like it is a rebellious kind of thing. So this low angle tracking tilt up shot used for it to show the rebellious nature of the character. So then crane shot with an extreme high angle bird eye view, where we find the camera looks straight down, where character look tiny and vulnerable or lost. Another is drone shot. So basically it is used for shows a vast location landscape or isolation. Like here we can see how it is used to show the landscape. Then if we here the match cut is used to to visual or emotional transition that connect two different scene with similar framing or actions. Like here Jordan on a ending part of the movie, Jordan is recalling his time phase with Heer. Both the scene is together. We find at one place he's live where sees this Heer, and again he is remembering his time past with Heer. And at this time when he also says Jordan that away beyond all concept of wrongdoing and right doing there is a field and I'll meet you there, the quotation by Rumi. Then if you talk about the mise-en-scene, so it is refers to arrangement of visual elements within scene, including setting, lighting, costume, actor placements, and props to convey mood, character, and narrative. uh, we see that when this Jordan sings Kun Faya Kun song, at that time we find we can see this mise scene of spirituality here over this screen also. So it conveyed the spiritual meaning. Then the last this mise-en-scene where Jordan wanted to be a Morrison in his life. He was considering him ideal. So this scenes also reflect his inner turmoil, identity transformation, and emotional disintegration, which totally had a irony at the end of the film. So yes. So this was from my side, how I look at the analytical and editing part of the movie Rockstar by Imtiaz Ali. And thank you for being with me.